Did you know that your kitchen might be hiding the secret to explosive plant growth? And trust me, you'll never guess what's at number 1. So watch till the very end, because it's a total game changer. Your garden will thank you for it. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful homemade fertilizers that can make your plants grow faster, stronger, and healthier. Naturally, they're easy, affordable, and yes, backed by the latest 2025 research. Let's start with number 3. And this one is not just about growth. It protects too. Garlic powder plus water. Take 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, mix it with 5 liters of water, and let it sit for a few hours. Then, pour it right at the base of your plants. Garlic is loaded with natural sulfur compounds that not only nourish the roots, but also keep harmful pests and fungi away. According to a 2025 study by the American Institute of Horticulture, garlic extracts reduced pest attacks by over 60%, without a single drop of chemical pesticide. Amazing, right? Now, number 2 is something every organic gardener should try. Wood husk plus sugar. Mix a handful of wood husk with 1 tablespoon of sugar, soak it in water, and let it ferment for 2 to 3 days. Then, give it straight to your plant roots. The sugar feeds good microbes in the soil, while the wood husk releases nutrients slowly. Gardeners everywhere are turning to this natural combo for stronger, deeper roots, especially after 2025 reports showed it boosts root development by nearly 40%. That's huge. And now, the one you've been waiting for. Number 1. It's simple, it's powerful, and it works like magic. Yeast plus water. Take 1 packet of dry yeast. Dissolve it in 10 liters of water and feed it to your plants every 2 weeks. Yeast is packed with amino acids, B vitamins, and growth-boosting compounds. In a recent urban gardening experiment in Tokyo, plants given this mix grew up to twice as fast as untreated ones. Yes, you heard that right. Twice as fast. So tell me, which one are you excited to try first? Drop it in the comments. If this helped you even a little, give it a like, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell, because I've got more natural gardening hacks coming your way. Let's grow together and give your plants the love they deserve.